Okay, so this is the start of Project Charger Ute. Only broke one manifold bolt up in here. So at this point, what I think I'll do is take the rest of the interior out, and probably the passenger seat and the headliner. And keep the headliner and actually reupholster it or refinish it. So it's the end of the summer and didn't get quite as much done as we anticipated. Update. I know what you're all thinking. When are you gonna finish? So there you have it, 2008 Dodge Charger transformed into the wannabe. Woo! Get you some of that. This car started as a plain Jane police cruiser from the town of Bolton.
And a good running one at that.
It had all the police options. Upgrade brakes, upgrade cooling system, suspension, and SRT package to boot.
But it had too many doors, so we had to fix that and turn it into a ute.
We gutted the interior, chopped off the roof and the trunk, and started the transformation. After sorting through all the pieces in the Smyth Performance kit, we started bolting, riveting, and bonding all those pieces together. Next thing you know, it started to look something like Dodge actually built. Then it was time for bodywork, and sanding, and more sanding. I'm cleaning body filler dust out of various cracks and crevices to this day.
What a mess.
Then on to 3 coats of high build primer, and we're ready for paint.
Is that B5 Surf Blue Metallic?
It sure is, just like Dodge used in 2008 on the Super Bee. Thanks to Sharon at D&G Auto Body, the color match is spot on. And we installed 20-inch SRT wheels, power seats, and the shifter console from a 2008 Super Bee, and rolled it onto the upholsterer. John at Inside Out Customs recovered the headliner, fabricated the rear surround, and installed a new carpet.
And he knocked it out of the park. The guy is an artist.
Then it was time for a test drive.
Yeah, a 3,000-mile test drive on the Hot Rod Power Tour.
That's right, we met the goal, 2023 Hot Rod Power Tour. From Atlanta to Rockingham to Charlotte and on to Bristol. What a trip! Everybody loved the car everywhere we went. A week-long rolling car show with over 6,000 cars. We met so many great folks and saw so many awesome rides too.
People freaked out when they saw it. They had never seen anything like it.
When we got home, we finished the car with white oak in the bed, sourced from PJ Currier lumber, and custom wannabe graphics, designed and installed by Sean at Streamlined Vinyl Design.
He nailed it. Seriously nailed it. We hope you've enjoyed watching the build, and that you remember to like, share, and subscribe. So keep watching and join us for the next build. But until then, remember, Stay safe.
Have fun.